HPP, Hudson Pacific Properties, Inc. General Overview and Trend. Hudson Pacific Properties has shown significant volatility over the past 3 months, starting from 2.4 and closing at 2,965 on September 5th. The stock reached a peak of 2,980 on the last trading day, suggesting that it may be in the process of testing higher levels. The overall trend appears to be moderately bullish, as the stock is currently trading above its starting point and has been making higher highs and higher lows in recent weeks. The price action suggests a gradual upward trend with increasing momentum in recent sessions. Price volume patterns reveal several spikes in trading activity, particularly on June 12th, when over 60 million shares were traded. The high volume days often coincided with significant price movements, suggesting that institutional interest has been present at key levels. In recent sessions, volume has decreased to around 4.38 million shares on September 5th, which is still relatively high compared to the average, indicating continued interest. The price-volume relationship shows that upward moves have generally been accompanied by higher volume, confirming the bullish bias, while downward moves have often occurred on lower volume, suggesting lack of strong selling pressure. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. The short-term moving averages, SMA 5 at 2,851 and EMA 5 at 2,865.9, are positioned below the current price, indicating recent bullish momentum. The medium-term averages, SMA 20 at 2,695.3 and EMA 20 at 2,737, are also below the current price, supporting the intermediate-term uptrend. The longer-term averages, SMA 200 at 2,748.3 and EMA 200 at 2,777.8, are below the current price, suggesting a long-term bullish trend. The EMAs are generally positioned above their corresponding SMAs, indicating underlying strength in the trend. Technical indicators. The technical indicators present a moderately bullish picture for HPP. The VWAP at 2,774.5 is below the current price, indicating that the stock is trading above its average price for the period, which is typically bullish. The positioning of EMAs above SMAs across multiple timeframes suggests sustained buying pressure. The price trading above most key moving averages indicates underlying strength. The moderate distance between shorter and longer-term moving averages suggests steady momentum that has been increasing in recent sessions. Linear regression. The linear regression trend for HPP shows a gradual upward trajectory over the 3-month period. The slope of the regression line is positive and has been steepening in recent weeks, indicating strengthening bullish momentum. The current price is trading above the regression line, suggesting that the stock is performing better than its statistical trend. The standard deviation bands around the regression line show moderate volatility, with the price staying within normal bounds for most of the period, but approaching the upper band in recent sessions. Opening price prediction for the next trading day, based on the current technical indicators and price action. The opening price for the next trading day is likely to be around 2,097 to 3,000. This prediction considers the recent closing price of 2,965. the bullish momentum indicated by the EMAs, and the overall upward trend. The slight gap up would be consistent with the recent price behavior and the current positioning of the moving averages. Support and resistance analysis. Key resistance levels are identified at 3,000 psychological level, 3,010 previous high, and 3,020 psychological level. Support levels are found at 2.85 recent low, 2.75 psychological level, and 2.6 previous consolidation area. The current price of 2.965 is positioned very close to the immediate resistance level at 3.00, suggesting a potentially critical short-term stance. The distance to the nearest resistance at 3.00 is approximately 1.2%, while the distance to the newest support at 2.85 is about 3.9%. This positioning suggests that the stock is at a pivotal point, with a breakout above 3.00 potentially leading to further upside. Intraday ATR 14 values and potential high-low values. The ATR 14 value indicates moderate volatility in HPP, with an average daily range of approximately 0.15 to 0.20. Based on this, the potential high for the next trading day could be around 3.165, current close plus ATR, while the potential low could be around 2.765, current close minus ATR. This moderate range reflects the stock's relatively stable nature and suggests that intraday traders should expect normal price fluctuations. Possible scenarios. In a bullish scenario, HPP could break above the $3 resistance level and target the 310 previous high, with further upside potential toward the 320 psychological level. This scenario would likely be accompanied by increasing volume and confirmation from technical indicators. In a bearish scenario, the stock could fail to break above $3.00 and reverse lower, potentially breaking below the $2.85 support level and targeting the $2.75 psychological level. A neutral scenario would involve continued consolidation around the $3 level as the market determines the next directional move. Conclusion: Hudson Pacific Properties has demonstrated a moderate bullish trend over the past 3 months. With steady price appreciation and generally increasing volume during upward moves. The technical indicators support the bullish outlook, with the stock trading above key moving averages and showing signs of strengthening momentum in recent sessions. The stock appears to be at a critical juncture, testing the psychologically important 3,000 level. Traders should watch for a decisive break above 3,000 as a signal for potential upside momentum, while failure to break this level could lead to a period of consolidation or a pullback toward support levels. Given the stock's relatively stable nature, it may be suitable for more conservative trading strategies with appropriate risk management.